car pulls up. So we're gonna get two perspectives. I'm gonna get Ben's perspective and the car's perspective. They cut her off. Y'all, we out here. Look who it is. Vlogmas Day 7. Behind the scenes, we are shooting HAillie's music video. I got cotton mouth. But we mapping it, we working. I can't tell you what kind of video y'all gonna get today, but I hope y'all enjoy it. Whatever it is. We're not gonna reveal HAillie because y'all gotta watch the video. Oh my God, Santa! Yes, girl, I just lost it because they had Santa. Santa's real. Hope y'all believe in Santa. Heard y'all gonna say hi. If you don't know Nick, you don't know music. You don't see the real dancer, that's Miz. But yeah, we about to make some magic happen, y'all. Enjoy. Be back. Okay, y'all, we got the camera team. Obviously the artist is right there. I'm not getting there. They over here. Big words, HAillie. Okay.
All right.
Let me see. I want to see this. Good. We got eyes. Good job. Okay. I don't know how much more this vlog is gonna be, but please enjoy it.
That's the flag. The earthing.
Here. If we got anything else, I will come back and tell y'all. But everybody want to say goodnight.